If your glass still has water spots after washing it, here's how to use Chemical Guy's water spot remover correctly. For this, all you'll need is a couple of microfiber towels, nitrile gloves to protect your skin, an applicator pad, Chemical Guy's heavy-duty water spot remover, and any exterior detail spray for cleanup. Let's get started. First, make sure the vehicle is washed, completely dry, and out of the direct sunlight. Apply a generous amount of Chemical Guy's water spot remover to your applicator pad. Then, work it into a section no larger than about 2 by 2 feet. To make the product last longer, apply it in a line down the center, then create a box around your working area. This lets you continuously pick up fresh product as you work, helping to prevent the applicator from dragging across the glass. These applicator pads are especially useful because they have a plastic barrier between the microfiber and the foam. That prevents the product from soaking into the pad, so it stays on the surface where you need it, reducing application and saving both time and product. After no more than 30 seconds of dwell time, lightly spray the area with your detail spray to help neutralize the chemical. Then wipe the residue away with a clean, dry microfiber towel. I like to follow up with a second light spray and flip to a fresh side of the towel to make sure no residue is left behind. If you're still seeing streaks, simply switch to another completely dry microfiber towel for a final buff. And that's it. Now you know how to use Chemical Guy's water spot remover on glass. My name is Alan. Have a great day.